Hello and welcome to this geometry lesson. Today we are going to master the segment addition postulate. It sounds like a complicated name, but it is actually a very simple and logical concept that forms the foundation for measuring lengths in geometry. Before we dive into the postulate, let's quickly review what a line segment is. Unlike a line that goes on forever in both directions, a line segment is a specific piece of a line. It has a definite beginning and a definite end, which we call endpoints. Here, you can see segment AB, which includes point A, point B, and all the points in between them. Now, the segment addition postulate relies on a specific arrangement of points. For a point B to be strictly between points A and C, all 3 points must be collinear. That means they must lie on the exact same straight line. If point B is off to the side, forming a triangle shape like in the right image, we cannot use this postulate. Here is the official rule. If 3 points A, B, and C are on the same line, and B is between A and C, then the length of segment AB plus the length of segment BC equals the length of the entire segment AC, simply put. The sum of the parts equals the whole. Let's look at this with colors to make it clear. We have a red part on the left, representing length AB. We have a blue part on the right, representing length BC. When you join them together end to end, they make up the total purple length, which is AC. This visual is all you need to remember the formula. Think of it like a road trip. Imagine you are driving from your home at point A to a store at point B, and finally to a park at point C. If it takes 5 miles to get to the store and another 3 miles to get to the park, your total trip distance is simply 5 plus 3, which is 8 miles. You just add the 2 legs of the trip together. Let's try a math problem. We are given a line segment where the first part, a B, is 14 units long. The second part, BC, is 11 units long. The question asks us to find the length of the entire segment, a C. To solve this, we use our formula. A B plus BC equals a C. We substitute the numbers we know. 14 plus 11. When we add those together, we get 25. So, the total length of the segment is 25. Sometimes, you might know the total length but be missing one of the smaller parts. In this example, we know the total length from A to C is 35. We also know the first part, a B, is 20. We need to find the length of the remaining part, BC. We start with the same formula. Part plus part equals whole. We plug in 20 for a B and 35 for the total AC. Now we have an equation. 20 plus BC equals 35. To isolate BC, we subtract 20 from both sides. 35 minus 20 gives us 15. So, the length of BC is 15. A very common mistake is to assume that because B is between A and C, it must be exactly in the middle. This is not true. Being between just means it is somewhere on the line between them. Unless the problem specifically says B is the midpoint, do not assume the 2 parts are equal. One can be short and the other long, as shown here. To wrap up, remember these key points. The points must be on the same straight line. The formula is a B plus B, C equals a C. Use addition when you are looking for the total length, and use subtraction when you have the total and need to find a missing piece. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.